welcome back. So we are going to go through a very important topic, and that is issue of Lazuba and some other people that somehow celebrating that PM was convicted or has been convicted, and some of them calling for COS to follow suit. We are going to go through that on this video. But before we go, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is our backup channel. I just want to make sure that you pay attention to this platform, because here we bring everything different related and non-different related here. So you being part of the growth of this platform means a lot to us. So please subscribe. We have noticed that many people that watch don't subscribe. Please be part of the family. And our WhatsApp is still open. Very soon we may lock it up in terms of the link. You may not be a session whereby for you to join us, you have to contact the admin. So for now, it is open and you are welcome there as well. I want people who actually love what we do to be in that WhatsApp group. But if you are just a passerby, I don't think you need to be in the WhatsApp group. But if you are a real follower of this platform, I will encourage you to make sure you join us in the WhatsApp group. Now, why is such after the confusion of PM, she decided to jump out and started dancing on social media, dancing on her platform. That video went viral. We talked about it here, which she responded in a way to show that we actually, how that what I did was something that she don't like. But I am not here to please anybody. I'm here to set the record straight. And I believe that many of you actually understand what I stand for. And I think many of you also appreciate it. Now, I would like to start by bringing to you this harassment video. But I just want to remind you, that's why I said what I said about why you started dancing after the news broke out that PM has been convicted to spend 6 years in prison, which Biafran government have done what it's supposed to do, and they're still doing more about it to appeal to see how the whole thing will be reversed. How the whole thing will reverse and avert that kind of judgment. Now, this woman did something again today. I saw this video because for some days now I've been kind of off and on social media. I'm not actually dedicated like I normally do, but now we are back. So do me a favor and like the video, like I said, and share it to many platforms of your choice. This is her recent broadcast, and I would like you to join me while we go through what she said here, okay, and do justice to that. Very, very important. Hear this, because I don't want it to be like Kai report, you are doing more than you can chew, understand? I want it to be, I want us to be real by bringing it to you the way it's supposed to be. I missed out on some of the news because I don't want to start talking to you, without bringing it the way it's supposed to be. Now, let's start from this 90. I'm gonna start from 1913. Okay. Let's play 1913. Watch. Okay, this will interest you, but like I said, pay attention. Let me go back to 3.
I'm on me if I make it away, no this place. I know you now. On the program on boss and say now pastor 419 pastor scammer pastor see Nena Mace. Lost no one in a mom. That Nena Mace no now. Yes. Never to Ngozi copy that side, Brianna, last number on a mess. Pomolonia on a mess. Mahaman for everybody is in mess. I'm on a mess. I'm on a mess. One on a mess. I'm on a mess because I'm a blogger. Only if it was Rafano, So I'm on a mess because I'm for their mission. And in a choir that mission on a double. So Mama if I ask none on a mess, not much. Yes, I'm not on a mess. I'm on a serious mess. Because mess mice now only born on a mess. Every born on a mess. Serious mess. Whether we like it or not, I'm on a mess. Serious mess. Because if we want to
now, in case you don't understand what she's saying here, this woman is here trying to lament on the current situation. She's here lamenting on the current situation, the way our Igbos are being treated. There was a part where she said, "I don't know what you did. If I'm a way not dying on Yaketa." When you begin to downplay something that you know that is very, very crucial and very vital, you started acting and playing politics at the wrong time, you end up standing this way. Being in a mess that she's talking about, the issue is what will push you to be in that mess. What kind of mess are you? And what is your contribution to manifestation of that mess that you are complaining about? Because this woman, why is such in particular, have said all manner of nonsensical things that when you begin to pick her words and her actions, you don't have any reason not to blame her. So what is going on now, according to her, she contributed a lot. Ogenkere, most of them contribute. It depends on when you contributed your own. At the beginning of the whole thing, Ogenkere, Imam Madabo, Eggman, which is why Prophetic call him now, Mazakwa, and Sonat Parawa, and of course Vision 555, and many other people. But these are the key players that started that nonsensical thing that led to this mess that everybody is complaining now. And not only that, remember, she also did her own. At that time that people complained about Eggman, about Mazakwa and Ogenkere. This one was in USB then, but she was actually doing more dangerous activities there, but unnoticed. How do I mean? What do I mean by that? What do I mean by that? This woman was busy talking to Biafran Liberation Army commanders, Butuzo and co. She was busy doing that. Not that she was talking to them in a positive way, but she was laying some, obstacles that will delay and trigger the enmity and, hatred in the minds of those that she was in contact with. She did a lot. Little out of many, she said, just little of them, that the one I know is what I will tell you. The one she told me one-on-one. When she told them that, look, the money that USB sent to you is a peanut. To compare the money that Biafran contributes. So fundraising, she will be there monitoring and watching, guessing how much they could raise, how much could be the total. And then we should not measure it to the money that Biafran Liberation Army received. It's not as if she wants sending it to the Biafran Liberation Army, but she will go behind to ask them, how much do you receive? That singular act contributed in Butuzo and Biafran Liberation Army saying that they're not going to work with USB. Because she made them to believe that with the Nego Pasa, there's so much money coming and they're giving you little. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So, in summary, because I'm not going to go in details, like I always tell you, I don't want to talk about Biafran Liberation Army and everything that surrounds it. But for the fact that she came out and began to complain like this, I think it's worth talking. It's worth sharing. We need to talk about it. It's worth it. So let it not be as if somebody don't know, nobody know what happened, and all of a sudden things are begin to go gaga and all that. Pay attention the mob. So before we move to another thing, because I have other things to share with you before we end. Please, if you are just joining us, make sure you like this video, like it, and Please subscribe. Very, very important that you do so.
Nobody.
But you have said a lot. But all this why you guys, my goodness. And listen, because I don't know what is their mind, but watch.
Now what did the Mazin and the gun? I it's a woman on social media. Come from no you do serious. Who tell you can wake in our leader Mazin and the gun treatment. Nobody.
Actually, many and they're so emotional. Or when somebody put down equal guafo, or if I told you my go ahead again. Nigga on a corner again being an apple terrorist. In agent, nobody will jump fall from sky and start talking authoritatively. A journey of 1,000 might begin with one step. I gave it to go from make my agent before and wire bug. I can know before police. A man no good expect people somebody to just start now. Sound was so authoritatively and commanding, commanding instructions. A be the busy. Now a limit people, a limit everything. Because neighbor that China, neighbor. So all this nonsense is what is paying off now. Because COS terrorists. All these names to now we are calling Ogekere terrorist. Ogekere is not a terrorist. That he chose to, you may call him, may say that he's a criminal. I won't fight you on that. I won't complain. But calling him a terrorist, it is too far. It's a joke. To me, it's just like a joke, take it too far, because you must have what it takes. And not when people who don't even like anybody from your region, when they are busy looking for a way to label you terrorist. Instead of you to understand the definition of a terrorism or a terrorist, what it means, you don't bother. But just that you want to call the name that will irritate somebody, you started using that name. Today, you are scaring people away. And now you want people to start up to talk. I don't understand. So whenever you see her talking like this, don't feel discouraged or don't feel moody. She's one of the problem. Watch.
Just check inside in the COS. One on your cloak. Oh, what a messy Canadian. Oh, what eventually go with the Mono Nama. Oh, no, I need a check. That's now. Oh, nice, that's no messy Adema. Can never. Oh, don't possible. When they worst. Because the plan on that one, he makes sure that now there was anything was a leak. And I want their plan.
Izo ya mmiri n'azụ. Ibue mmadụ nnu, ịma the person mmiri, ọ ya ka ị na-eme. Every effort from USB government, you criticize it, you fight it, you are still fighting it today. And like I said, I don't want the video to be too long, but it may be long. I cannot promise you that. Please, that's why you need to give me your ear, because we need to digest it properly. I'm trying to avoid talking about this woman, but somehow you need to remind her of her past and what she said, her role in what she's trying to lament about. You're lamenting about what is going on now, which is likely so. There's no problem on that. But you cannot just cause something and begin to act as if you don't notice what you have done. No, that is a lie. That is a lie, and I don't want to be a part of that. Watch. Just a moment. Let me take it back a bit. Okay, I think we mistakenly click on something.
Shame on you.
Yeah.
And I ain't joy at all.
No, start from here.
And I am not fight.
Now listen.
But that that now when you journey most state now, indeed when you know Imo State, actually in Abuja. Abuja, you go
in Anogwa.
And Igwe ano township non a village. Abuja, near duplex. Or Abuja, near mansion, on another place. When he came to nonsense here. On a man that now happens in your own. Oh, who's a democrat on the winning August Angelina Abuja.
They get
Amazia Abuja, and they send this in the terrorist. And they did not bomb just in the state. Not bomb in the state. While an underflanny, they protected their own terrorists. They protested their terrorists. Has to fight to make sure that the terrorists they take over.
As now the flag they protect their own terrorism, meaning that you are acknowledging that you have your own terrorism, because when you begin to level it their own, simply means you have your own that you don't want. You understand? And so the way you use your words matters a lot. Upon the matter you use to avoid getting yourself involved in those kind of things. You have been calling Biafrans terrorists. The same in this your platform, you praise the protected by Nanabai, then you will not label all that people that are protesting Nanabai as the terrorists. And in your deep down your soul, your mind, you actually believe that Igbo people were terrorist group. Okay, again.
And I fight Omazia, not to have bomb. State.
Why now, Mama? You use your platform and say that Nanagos represent the recruit to terrorists. Government of Nigeria will say, okay, let me use one using terrorists. They be. Are you getting? I'm not reacting on this because of why Lazuba. I am reacting for the buy water. If you could, matters a lot. It may means nothing to you, but you don't because you don't understand. I keep on telling you, Ogekere is not a terrorist. That Nahana are committing some of things like eating or maybe eating by DJ from Ogbonigwe. The moment you begin to use Ogbonigwe, I cannot see you use your platform to preach that Newendi Ogbonigwe on a buy. Whether he's being recruited by anybody. First thing, they conducted the Operation Python by other dance. They conducted it Python dance, Crocodile's Mine. Then later invade Mazamukano's home. Ask yourself, what was the crime in Southeast region when those things happened? Getting a menu. And I show how to use those things, equipment on you. Important manufacture all those things. On our camera, if you don't know when they buy and they buy and make cost. Because I just want us to understand something. In fact, I may not even play this further. Okay, let me just play it a little bit, then I will now bring to you based on the title of the video. How they are planned evil against US. And connect it to the prophecy of my, which I may also bring forward for you to understand that message properly. Watch. I don't know why each time I click on this, it just disappear. Anyway, just a moment. Let me get it back again. You have to get it right. You have to get it right.
Yeah, well, because if you media person.
They get it.
The Second World War, even Iraq and Iran, even Israel and even such a sound of gun in Imo State. And I will eventually make a buy a malo.
Okay.
Oh, eventually make a buy a malo.
Always remind them your own role, your contribution. Nifa and
oh, that's not a female. That's not Biafran angel. No who they jidefa, buchaseafa, udade, asikane, udayade. That peace can never come. Because after car fight, it's a Biafran liberation army on power. He are fighting the flag. He can't fight them. Your problem is still in there. Because those criminals say to fight your own people. Why he was not going to be Kohala? Not a unit for get up with them. Ejimola, when I want a big Wotike, Ngozi Orabueze.
Nah, no said yeah.
Ngozi Orabueze, shame on you.
Now listen.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Listen.
Who that's now your in and you claim to be an Igbo woman. You claim to be.
But in that 1 year of Fulani, they have been calling her Fulani woman. Now you are not expecting her to act like a Igbo woman. That's what they're trying to say. So you have to also apologize that you realize that she's Igbo woman. I'm just saying it because although it's not for you that are watching, I'm just trying to understand, to give this woman her own food. You cook nonsensical things against your own people, although your identity is questionable. But let me just see you as an Igbo woman on this video. Watch.
And I told the bomb and I told by your own criminal.
Nah, nigga.
Joint as no joint. Nigeria joint forces.
In Ania. No. And careful how this one contradicts herself. My people, you cannot eat your cake and have it. I said something here that in this here on social media that I don't want to get involved in what is going on about the Liberation Army and all that. But sometimes you need to chip in one or two things. One thing I want you to take away from this is this: you cannot be fighting for your freedom, following democratic way, and at the same time following military regime, like introducing military regime, like civilians are the leader that the government have reformed, government in exile and everything. You cannot expect military to take over and abandon the structure. It's either you follow military way or you follow civilian way. You cannot make use two of them at the same time. If you want to follow civilian way, you must also abide by the rules of civilians. That is democratic regime that we enable people to make decisions. That's where you have cabinet members, like government in exile have structured to be. Immediately, army begin to disobey or introduce. Army start introducing insubordination by not obeying that template. It is a disaster. It's going to yield to anarchy. It will lead to anarchy. It will lead to many other things depending on your capacity, depending on your capability. Because if it is a functionable government that are not fighting for independence, that is already independent and have everything functioning on their own, is a different ball game. But you see, when you are still struggling, when you are fighting for recognition and protecting your borders and everything, many things are involved. You don't need extra distraction. Because we already have enough distractors. If you ignore this part and want to entertain other distractors, you'll get bugaka. That is what is going on now. Now, like I have seen some people blaming Okeke, blaming Okaf and all that. Because I know there's no way you will play undermined with the template and expect miracle to occur. Hear this one again before we go forward.
Join me together. Ngozi Orabueze now losing news. Now losing news. And then send this message. On our coordinate. Okay, can I coordinate terrorist in here? Okay, can I coordinate terrorist in here? Ngozi Orabueze, let me tell you something.
Now, this is the part I was actually looking for. About terrorist in here. You get why? Because many of you don't understand the implication. Well, imagine if Nigerian security personnel or Nigerian army or chief defense forces of Nigerian government hearing you, they know that you are a member, you are fight for freedom, not like me. That's why she said here that we are content creators and bloggers, which is true. All right, you that is fighting and everything. I'm not saying you fighting is a taboo, but you cannot come out and start calling people saying terrorists, and they expect Nigerian government not to go and bomb and shoot. In a place now, they or one anonymous will say, no, they can or go Iraq and Iran. Who made it possible? You. No government, you cannot just validate, validate what, that kind of shooting and turn around and start crying about it. Then what is your job then? What is your job? So Maya made a prophecy, and that prophecy is this. Just watch.
We are going to pray for Ngozi Orabueze. The person with a group of people that put Simon in prison. They don't want to put her in prison, but they want to poison her. And they will use somebody very close to her, and they will kill her. She will be asked to visit a very big round table, and she will go forgetting to pray. When she will reach, the spirit that guide her will leave her because of the darkness that will cover them. She will be captured and killed. And God said, He will raise 20 women that are coming. Whenever it starts, that man is being captured, that he can use one woman, he can use two. Remember, there is no war that a woman rise to go, and that war will not be the way the woman wants. Remember Deborah in the Bible. Remember Esther. Remember Rebecca. Remember Naomi. My dear, the children of Israel were captured for years. They were enslaved under Egypt. That is what is happening today. What happened in the olden days is starting to happen again. Because the affliction will not rise up second time. If Delilah can capture Samson, my dear, God will use Deborah and capture the incubus and succubus. Just says the Lord of hosts. Begin to pray wherever you are. Let God protect Ngozi Orabueze. Let God protect Igbos. Let God protect the Hausa people that their hands are clean. Let God protect the Yoruba people that their hands are clean. Let God protect the Efik. Let God protect the Yorubas that their hands are clean. Let God protect the Niger that their hands are clean. Let God protect the Fulanese that their hands are clean. Because in every 12 there must be a Judas. Pray any Ishmael that is after the children of God. Let God destroy the evil plans of the Ishmael in the name of Jesus.
All right. So that is the video from Maya, the prophecy that she gave, that people talked about it. I have also made a video on this. But now reason why that information, that prophecy cannot be ignored, one of the reasons is this. You have Lasuba. Remember, I just flashed to you her recent video. We just played it, and I told you saw how she called. She'll keep on repeating Ndobonigwe, calling her fellow sisters, brothers, Ndobonigwe. And at the same time, complaining that Nigerian army are engaging Biafrans. So what do you expect? When you are calling these names, what do you expect to happen? Kediru geji wes na toge mbo na Igbo ndị baize ebe gwa na wada na ndị Bible ndị deserve ka egbu egbu. Now, just listen to this conversation.
We got 6 years for terrorism. You want an idea?
Okay, for editing or Potago.
But you know, we had in a news, can man alive.
Okay.
Because every some people have one idea. I just now Finland got 6 years for terrorism. Ngozi Orabueze, the chief of staff of Simon Ekpa, with the chief of terrorism. So Ngozi Orabueze will push.
Are you hearing that? This is one of her best friends, Orabueze. You ain't getting now. Now on her complaint now, no, now you find a many mistakes. Yeah, but Orabueze now, your video, your voice is out. You can hear yourself. I am not saying you should not fight against kidnappers, anything like that. I am not in support. You can do whatever you want, but be careful so that you are not going to label people that are innocent as bad people. I am not a supporter of anybody killing or criminalizing anybody or stealing or anything at all, crime. I am not in support of that. So whatever, if you have clear evidence on that, do your job. But stop tagging people as terrorists, anything at all, because that is not how it works. It's not like that. In the whole universe, only 2 of you managed to call COS and USB government terrorists. Only 2 of you. Today, Imam Madaba, according to you, is a terrorist. According to you, Ogekere is a terrorist. According to you, if Eggman, Mazakwa is a terrorist. Mazakwa is not a terrorist, unless you prove otherwise. That's the way I stand. No matter, I'm not saying that to please you, but to be real. So that you're not going to, when you see Nigerian government using the kind of jets bombing communities, and you turn your camera against that, crying about it, what do you expect? The message you sent to them has gotten to them and they're utilizing it. Pay attention, please.
Just to answer. Because Oma, in him, Obatobia, you will make terrorism. Also, we support Obatobia terrorism.
So they are now validating that no mere terrorist. Okay, they follow. This is just pure example of one of the damage. There are so many times they have repeated this kind of thing, but this one should be, an eye opener to many of you that may watch this video. You complain if I buy 1 minute, in another seconds you are telling them to go and me if I buy. Who does that?
So I'm a lawyer. Ngozi Orabueze will push out to answer.
Yes.
Because Benila Simon Ekpa they terrorize it. Benila how they make terrorist man. Ngozi
Orabueze so and don't Ngozi Orabueze they negotiate near that place. Maka chief of staff.
Now chief of staff to Simon Ekpa who the terrorists out of Nga 6 years. Then okay, Chukwunkere alias Isaiah Anyoko, who the finance minister, they will take Simon Ekpa get terrorized and don't terrorize. So which means I feel a terrorism case. One person and her carry terrorism in here like that. One person name, and not begin to change and begin with a brave. one at street, publishing the mother, they water. I had a way each, but the plant terrorists today, a very pen a court, what a evidence from everywhere. The chief of staff will be something on one. I am a
Yes.
so the court possibly may invite.
Oh, possibly may invite. Sure.
I'm going to invite a phone number. Other for communication. Young one over to be to the plan. I saw the terrorists over to be them. More results also not over to be only the terrorists. Okay, we are Jacob, Simon Ejiheko. Okay, we are take a terrorist. So before I just send the agent terrorist, Simon is a terrorist now. Oh, when Catania Simon before I send the
now I know many of you will be like, okay, what is the evil plan that the title says? What is the evil plan? This is the evil plan. By labeling USB government as US terrorists and all that is a way to link her all to, international, maybe FBI or anything. That's the target. As they're labeling Biafran youths in homeland, our communities, our villages, everywhere as home of Ndo Mambo, giving a kind of license or support for government of Nigeria to begin to exercise their power in those communities. As they're doing that, they're actually fighting also Biafrans abroad by telling you that Orabueze and PM, they are terrorists. So, meaning that by the time they will be bombing your land, like she's crying out that Imo State is no go area, that even Israel and have not done the kind of stand of Mbana, and all that. She's waiting for FBI to carry out another action against people that she perceives as leaders. She even mentioned the names. Or if, when I say she, I'm talking about both of them though. Orabueze and Lazuba. But why the focus is on Lazuba? Because this platform is her platform. And Orabueze is just one of another, mistake. One of another mistake from our land. You know what I mean by mistake, right? Everything that they're saying is targeted on one goal. And that goal is actually what people that she's complaining that they're bombing in house, our land, our villages and all that, their target and what they want. So helping them to get that is what they do. Now listen, because we're not gonna prolong this video. That I can say I'm rushing it because I've checked the time. Time is the video is already too long, but we're gonna manage it that way. Please bear with me and make sure you like the video if you have not.
Simon, they go to meet terrorists. And when both jams also done Simon plan, we get that. So Hannah, when you Hannah know, you have how if that is what goes around comes around.
Sure.
Hannah feel in Simon, I can make my list one by one. They have questions to answer. Because that is how it works. When we put on profits now, and when the case is something they do, I got you know, I got you know when I I'm going to Chinese pass release, but I got you know when I gain him about this particular thing. Gain him about
he's busy validating that. Very busy validating that.
But communication, even with that person, must say when other people in our plan, because so we is. Can't on that terrorism, my heart check the Simon.
Okay.
So, we are here watching them. In the multi-years on them, people Basara, Orabueze, also be literate or be educated, according to the information they here in a public data. On a Twitter handle, and not very educated. Here,
yeah, I want to go.
I believe they might educate between Egbe and Egbe. Then Ugo 247. So they na you were operate my ego, were
this is where we're going to end it because I already know where he's going. But the truth is that they know, Orabueze know what he was doing, and he knows his target. Remember, there was a time that Ogenkere group with Sonakbara was cited in that WhatsApp group where they were talking about how to, download and copy some things from USB government, from COS handle, and report to FBI. They are still searching for a way to report her, including these two that you just heard their voice. That's what I mean by the evil plan against them, against US. Keep on exposing, and it's going to expose them more. Please, we don't support evil, like I always tell you, but I would like you to understand that the truth is the only way forward. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about all we discussed so far. God bless you. See you again. Bye-bye for now.